Sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jelau bak Sniawbhalang Dhar, ula Kyntait halor ke Jingkynnoh ke Seng King Atiar ke HNLC. Bat kedau bu diunung ngela bu ba ke Jing Syakri ki pat ba omban Syakri ki Seng le ano. Laban kedau hang ni ba ke HNLC kita yo ki belalet ke lekeno bu ba Sniawbhalang Dhar men ba udang long menteri hapok ke sorkar jong ke kongres. Uji harap pisah ya ke Seng ke bami pat ke Jing penrem ba ke Jing dawa hiar syuki na ke Seng VPP ba ke kongres. Habakira ni kilat patai kubor aka katway terik ujemang arhajar arpusan uba Sniawbhalang Dhar ulong ba dan jengtep AA bat jo ajing rap pisan don benta AA ru kumba kila keno bagadai tang Jingkynnoh ka bom don nongrim ulong ru bak HNLC ke degeseng ka bala syaken bian bat habaki keno ino ka don kam bagan ai ya ki jing pensisa ki babiang namar ki Jingkynnoh ge jumi na kapor ndai don kam ban pensisa halor ke Jingdawa hiar suki ulong ba trek ban hiar suki namar rada hiar suki kan long ko pediang ya ke Jingkynnoh persya ya
Nakaling jong asam pensya ke ngakwa bani tu ye pi kumgi parau jongi ngam don against no ngam don kanu ke jing against a political party leni ka Seng HNLC ro point number 1 and number 2 part kan mau sakawe ke dai HNLC is a ban organization ngakwa bani tu bi kini ke jing alleged ke jing yetu kumpi umne ke ba mi akini stio bla dem nakaling jonga ngam ju tip ka hero ngam ju don hire kata ngam ju sponsor re ngam ju phone re or ngam ju tip ka nuru but which is totally a false and a baseless allegation which made by them how nga so thu hinga burom but nga so thu ya sentiment in the opposition but I regret to say that it is a baseless and false allegation kani baro de bam de sudah yo bi kata ka de bon sin ka position ni jo don ga jikin man lagi isu hakani grukom de masu thu ni ka leng jo ngai ka pam pan sai pi kum nga umri ga de ga won ga de ga ka racing balaban te subu mentang kanu ku bagi ken ngimut man kanu ABC ngi ong yes ka badai angkin ai ka proof angkin prinsisa subu la syakan wan biang sekawai ka nong ba kermen du phone ni kani is it true subu don next week pandu ong bat ba kevin phone ni is it true you need proof proof document you have to prove that pidangan prinsisa ko mi kita baro tengah kejing pejungahi personally iman dah kebuburom iman kani kadega it seem is some politically motivated just to malign me personally. And please remember, the more they want to spread negativity on me personally, the more God will bless me. And I'm assured that I will promise I will work better and better for my people of the state of Meghalaya. And I commit very sincerely, please don't think otherwise. I am your leaders. I am here to serve my state and for my beloved people. And all the allegation is very, very false and baseless allegation.